This is the Lionel 2020 with a 6466W whistle tender, and behind that are the 5-car set of the Blue Comet. And you have the baggage car, then you have the combo car, and along with that you have a couple passenger cars and maybe a diner too, I'm not sure. And then you have the observation car in the back. But it's they're pretty cars, and this is about the right engine to pull it. A little bit, if you had less, it just doesn't quite pull as well. But it takes off and runs. Nice whistle on it. And light works, the smoker works on that engine too. You might see a little bit when it comes around. It's just a nice train. And it'll run in reverse too. The 220 turbine. Lighted cars, most of them all are lighted. And Lionel with the Blue Comet cars behind.